Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
We'll continue our discussion on chapter number 9, ledger. And today will be the concluding class of ledger, actually. And yesterday we completed illustration 3 in ledger, which took us almost 1 hour, 15 minutes or 20 minutes to complete only one illustration. Okay. Anyone have a doubt in that illustration? Illustration 3? Those who missed yesterday's class, please see the recording because it was a which so anyone who missed yesterday's class, please see the recording of yesterday's class because it was a very comprehensive illustration. We discussed journals, then we converted the journal into ledger, and finally we converted that ledger into a trial balance. Clear? Any doubt in the entire chain from journal to ledger to trial balance? Okay. I think few of you missed yesterday's class.
Sir, I'm not there, sir. Can you teach it again?
I cannot teach it again.
Okay.
For any student who missed the class, they don't have a liberty to ask me again. I am uploading the recording, so it is up to you to see the recording.
Sir, I was absent in Saturday, that's why, sir.
No, that is why I am uploading recording actually. I cannot repeat the class for a single student.
What?
If you miss the class, it is your duty to see the recording.
Sorry, sir, sir, I missed the class and that's
Yeah, so don't expect me to repeat the entire class because
okay.
For one student, I cannot repeat the entire class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because I have my own schedule, guys. So please respect my time as well.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah. So if you miss the class, I always upload the recording. So please see the recording actually, so that you are aligned with the discussion. Anyhow, I will be doing problem 7 and 8 today. So you will be able to catch up with what you missed yesterday. Practical problem 7 and 8 we will cover today. Clear? Okay. Let me share my screen, guys. Okay. So Pranav, I think when we discuss practical problem, when we discuss practical problem 7 and 8, I think your yesterday's class will get cleared actually. So stay attentive, stay focused on practical problem 7 and 8. That is the same concept that I discussed in illustration number 3. Okay. And illustration number 3, entire video is uploaded in YouTube. Please see the entire, please spare 1 to 1.5 hours to see that entire recording actually. Okay, I cannot spend that same time again. Okay, yeah. So let's go to practical problem 7, guys. Okay. Now we have a practical problem 7. Okay. It mentions following in the books of Ashok, Delhi on 1st April 2026. There is a balance of cash. There is a balance of stock. We have a debtors balance. We have a machinery balance. And we have a credit.
60,000 rupees.
Sorry?
Machinery balance.
Yes, machinery balance is 60,000.
And liability for creditors, we have 30,000.
30,000 rupees. Yeah, that is right. Okay.
Okay.
So let us see this. Let us first prepare an opening entry, guys. opening entry. This is just for concept, guys. What is asked in the question? Pass journal entries for the above transaction. Post on 30th April 2026. So they are asking us to prepare journal, prepare ledger, and then prepare a trial balance. Okay, so let us take the format of journal, guys. Date, particular ledger folio, debit and credit. And this is whose books, guys? In the books of Ashok, Delhi. So journal of Ashok, Delhi. Okay. On 1st April 2026. On 1st April 2026.
Sir, first we should do journal and then ledger, right?
Yes, first we have to prepare journals. We will go with the requirement of the question. The requirement of the question is prepare journal, prepare ledger, and trial balance. If the question asks directly ledger, then we have to prepare the ledgers directly. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here, first we will prepare the journal.
Sorry, your video is talking, sir.
Opening entry I am passing, guys. Cash. Ram is a data. Data's RAM account debit. How much, guys? 50,000. What is the next account? Machinery account debit. It's how much? 60,000. And liabilities. Creditors Rajesh. To
creditors.
To creditors Rajesh. How much? 30,000. Okay. Now my debit and credit is not
Sir,
matching.
how much 30,000 will come, sir?
It is given 30,000. Okay. My debit and credit is not matching, guys. So if debit and credit is not matching, the balancing figure will be what, guys?
Capital, sir.
Capital.
Yes. To Ashok's capital account. Just check whether all the amounts I have mentioned correctly or not. 1,60,000. Asset 50,000, 30,000, 60,000 and 30,000. Okay, all the amounts are mentioned correctly. So Ashok's capital will become the balancing figure. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Being opening entry passed as on 1st April 2026. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now,
No,
how
sir.
many accounts I have opened? That many ledgers also I have to open, guys. One ledger, I will take the format from here. I will take one format. How many ledgers I have opened? Similar amount of. Okay, first is cash account. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
First is cash account. Next is stock account. Next is debtors, machinery and creditors account. Debtors, machinery and creditors account. Next is debtors. Who is this debtor?
Ram.
Ram. debtors RAM account. After that, which account I have to maintain?
Machinery.
Machinery account. And creditor Rajesh. Next is creditor Rajesh. And finally will be capital account. Creditor Rajesh account. And last account will be whose capital, guys? Ashok's capital account.
Ashok's account.
Okay. So from this opening entry, we have to pass the opening balance, guys. For cash, opening balance will be in cash account. Cash. Always assets have a which balance, guys? Debit balance. On 1st April 2026, two balance brought down. Two balance brought down. How much, guys? Cash is how much? $50,000.
You are audible,
Please help me
sir.
with the amount. But you guys are not audible. If you talk, I will fill up the amounts. Okay. How much is stock?
30,000, sir. 30,000.
30,000. Next is debtor RAM. On debtor RAM is also an asset. So opening balance will be debit side.
50,000. 50,000, sir.
50,000. Okay. Machinery. Machinery is also an asset. Debit balance will be
50,000,
two balance brought down. How much? 60,000. Okay. Creditor Rajesh. Creditor Rajesh is a liability or asset. Liability always have a debit balance or credit balance? Liability
Credit
have a
balance.
debit balance.
Credit balance, sir.
Credit
Credit
balance.
balance, sir.
So I will put it as buy balance brought down. Buy balance brought down. How much is the liability, guys? 30,000. And capital.
30,000.
Capital will have a debit balance or a credit balance?
Credit, sir.
Credit balance, sir. Credit balance.
So buy balance brought down. How much is the capital? That was the balancing figure. We found out the balancing figure as 1,60,000. So 1,60,000. Okay. How much? 1,60,000. So what I have done, I have only posted the opening entry and I have only posted the opening balance in all the ledger. Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we will go into each of the transaction. We will go into each of the transaction. First, we will journalize one transaction and we will, once we journalize one transaction, we will post in the ledger. Clear? Once we journalize one transaction, we will post in the ledger. And final step will be, we will close all the ledger account and final step will be preparation of trial balance. Clear? Any doubt? No? Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Let us now start journalizing each of the transaction. We will journalize one transaction and then post it. Okay.
Okay.
First transaction is April 4th April 2026. Sold goods for cash 7,000. Sold goods for cash 7,000. What is the accounting entry, guys? Quickly. Sold goods for cash 20,000. What is the accounting entry? Did I ask you very tough one?
Cash account debit to sales account.
Fantastic. Only one student has answered.
Cash.
Cash account debit.
Sales
Yes.
account, sir.
Cash account debit. All of you know it. I know that everyone knows
Cash
it.
account debit, furniture and
Why furniture?
no. Sorry.
Cash account debit to sales account being
7,000, sir.
Being goods sold for cash.
Sold for cash, sir.
For cash.
for
sir.
cash. Okay. Now I have to post this in two ledger. Which are the two ledgers I have to post? One is cash account, another is sales
Good,
account.
sir.
Okay, one is cash account, another is sales account.
Sales
Sales account we don't have. So we will open one more account called sales account. We will open one more account called sales account.
Sales
Sales account I am not having. So we'll open one more account called sales account. Okay. Okay. So accounting entry is what? Cash account debit. So I will go to the debit side of cash. I will go to the debit side of cash. In the debit side of cash, what shall I post, guys? Please tell me.
Sales. To sales.
To sales. Fantastic, guys. Cash account debit to sales account.
Sales.
Yes, sir.
How much is this? 7,000 rupees.
7,000.
Immediately, the moment I post debit side, you have to tell me to post the credit side also. So I have to go to sales ledger, post the credit side of this transaction. Immediately, I will go to the sales ledger. I will go to the sales ledger, post the credit side of this transaction. By
By
what? By
cash.
cash account. How much
By
is the
cash.
amount, guys? How much is the amount?
7,000, sir.
7,000. And what is the date of this transaction?
4th April.
4th April
4
2026.
April 2026, sir.
Remember one thing, guys. The moment you journalize a transaction, post the transaction in two ledgers. Once you post the transaction in two ledgers, automatically we will never make a mistake. If you post the transaction only in single ledger, your trial balance will not tally. Yesterday, we prepared 15 ledgers. I showed you 1.5 hours. We did one problem. Only one problem we did for 1.5 hours. 90 minutes I was in illustration 3. 15 ledgers we prepared and the trial balance got tallied in the first attempt. Right? The reason why it got tallied in the first attempt is the moment we posted one journal, we recorded it in two different ledgers. And this question also we will tally in the first attempt. Trial balance will get tallied in the first attempt, provided we do the moment we post a journal, immediately we have to post in two different accounts. Clear? I will show it to you how we can tally all our questions in first attempt. Okay, without a mistake. You will see this. This question is little tricky, but still we will be in a position to arrive at the answer in single shot. Okay. So first transaction is completed. Now 10th April 2026. What is the transaction, guys? Purchase goods from Rajesh. List price is 10,000.
So in between there's a transaction, goods return.
Sorry. Goods returned by Ram. I will go to April number 6. Thank you for pointing out. 6th April. We'll do that transaction first. 6th April. 6th April. What is the transaction?
It's written by Ram, sir.
One second, guys. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Someone knocked the door. 6th April 2026. Goods returned by Ram. Goods returned by Ram. We sold the goods to Ram. Ram is now returning the goods. So for entry for sales return inward. I think I have to open the door, guys. One second. Give me a second. Sorry. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. Okay, so I was discussing goods returned by Ram. So when goods are returned by Ram, what is the accounting entry, guys? Goods returned by Ram, what is the accounting entry? What is the accounting entry? Sales return.
Sales return account debit to cash.
To Ram.
Why cash? Who is
to Ram.
returning?
Ram.
Ram is returning.
Sir, I thought that they banned cash, sir. That's why.
Whenever we talk about debtor, it will be debtor account only which will be impacting. Sales
Okay.
return, or we also call it a one more name. What is another name of this? Return.
Return inwards. And the
Return.
purchase return means return outwards.
Yes. Okay. So being sales return from Ram. Any doubts?
No,
Two
sir.
accounts
sir.
we have to impact. One is sales return we have to debit, and Ram account
We have to credit, sir.
credit. So I will go to Ram account. Ram account already we are having. I will mention
By sales return
By
of
sales
amount.
yes. We can go little slow so that everyone can understand.
Okay, sir.
No need to hurry up. Amount is how much? Sorry, date. When is the date, guys? 6th April. 6th April 2026. Return outward, I don't have an account. I will open one more account called return outward. Return inward, sorry. Return inward. Return inward, or I will mention as sales return. Use any one word, guys. Don't use both the things. Okay. So return inward, account debit to Ram. So here it will be to Ram account. How much, guys? 1,000 rupees. And this transaction happened on 6th April 2026. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
No doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fantastic. So we completed only 2 transactions now. Let us go to the third transaction. Purchase goods from Rajesh. 10th April transaction. 10th April transaction. Purchase goods from Rajesh. 10th April 2026. Okay. What is the transaction, guys? Purchase goods from Rajesh. List price is 10,000. List price is 10,000, but I purchase for 9,000. What is the accounting entry, guys? What is the accounting entry? Purchase goods from Rajesh. What is the accounting entry?
Purchase.
Purchase account data to Rajesh.
Account debit.
Yes, absolutely right, guys. Purchase account debit to
To Rajesh.
Rajesh, sir.
Rajesh.
Rajesh.
Amount will be 10,000 or 9,000.
9,000.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. It will be 9,000 because I am purchasing for 9,000. Being goods purchased.
Being goods purchased to Rajesh.
Being purchased by Rajesh.
Purchased from
by
Rajesh.
Rajesh.
From Rajesh, sir. Sorry.
From Rajesh, sir.
That is okay, guys. English we can correct it. Not a problem. Concept. Let us focus on concept. Being goods purchased from Rajesh. 9,000 rupees. 2 account I have to impact. One is purchase account. Another is Rajesh account. Purchase
Rajesh
account. I don't think we have opened a purchase account. So we have to introduce a new account now. We opened a sales account, but we never opened a purchase account. So I have to open a new account called purchase account. In the debit side of purchase, what I will mention to what? To what?
Rajesh.
To Rajesh.
To Rajesh, sir.
How much? 9,000 rupees. And this is-
9,000 rupees,
this
and
is
the
when-
date is
10th April. One more account I have to post. Always we have to post 2 times.
Rajesh in by purchase, sir. By purchase.
In Rajesh account. Fantastic. In Rajesh account. Where is Rajesh? In Rajesh
Here.
account.
Here,
By-
by purchase in 10th April 2026.
By purchase.
Of
Okay.
amount 9,000.
9,000. Date is
10,000, sir.
10th April 2026.
2026, sir.
Okay. You will see the beauty of double posting. Whenever we make a double posting, whenever we make the debit side and credit side simultaneous posting, our question will always tally in the first attempt, guys. Make it a habit. Whenever you are posting the debit side, complete the credit posting also in the ledger. Clear? And once you complete the debit side and credit side, both the posting, our question will always tally in the first attempt. Okay, we will see this when we complete the question. This accounting entry is also over. So till 10th April, we have completed. 15th April, interesting transaction. But for us, it is not new. In journals, we have seen this transaction many times. Okay, let us see this transaction. What is 15th April transaction? Bought goods, list price of 15,000. List prices 15,000. Less 10% trade discount, less 10% trade discount. Trade discount is never recorded, guys. So 15,000 less 10% will be how much? Minus 1,500. So actual purchase, my actual purchase is how much? My actual purchase is 13,500. Any doubt, guys? My actual
No doubt,
purchase
sir.
is 13,500. So accounting entry will be purchase account debit to Rajesh. How much? 13,500. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. I have read only part of the question. Bought goods, list price 15,000, less 10% trade discount.
10% discount.
I have read only till here. Wait, guys, everyone, please pause. Let me talk. Bought goods of list price 15,000 less 10% trade discount. I have only journalized the first line of the transaction. Any doubt in the first line of the transaction?
No, sir.
No, sir. No
No?
doubt.
So I will mention narration being goods purchased, list price 15,000 less 10% trade discount. Immediately I have to post it to ledger also. I have to impact two ledgers. One is purchase account, another is Rajesh account. Go to the debit side of purchase. Where is my purchase? To Rajesh. Another purchase which is happening. This time the purchase amount is 13,500. This transaction happened on which date, guys? 15th April 2026. Did I miss something, guys?
No, sir.
I missed something. Intentionally, I have missed. What is that I missed, guys? What is the second leg of this transaction?
Rajesh.
Rajesh account. You have to tell me immediately. Go to the second leg.
Rajesh, by purchase.
Please go to the second leg of this
15,000.
transaction. Why you did not?
13,500 and
Yes.
and the date is 15 April.
Yes. Pranav, we can be a little slow. Please allow me to also complete.
What, sir?
Yeah, I am telling we can be a little slow, guys.
Okay,
So that-
okay.
Okay. So 15th April 2026, second leg of the transaction is also posted. Clear? Always debit side and credit side, we have to do the posting together. Clear? Fantastic. Now, let me read the question further. So how much is my purchase? 13,500 and 5% cash discount and paid 40% of the amount immediately. So cash discount I will receive only when I make the payment, right? How much I am paying? 40% of the payment is made. 40% payment is made. That means out of 13,500 into 40%, I am making a payment of 5,400 and I get a cash discount of 5%. I will get the cash discount of 5% only on 5,400. So 5,400 multiplied by 5% will be equal to how much? 270 rupees. Okay. So how much I will pay? My payment amount will be paid in cash is 5,400 minus 270, 5,130 amount is paid in cash. Okay, let me repeat again, guys. Now, this is a transaction When is cash discount received? Cash discount is received only on payment. Clear? Cash discount is received only on payment. And how much I am paying? Only 40% I am paying. Only 40% I am paying. So first accounting entry is Rajesh account debit, Rajesh account debit, Rajesh account debit, to cash, Rajesh account, how much I am paying? 13,500, 13,500 multiplied by 40%. So it comes to 13,500 multiplied by 40% comes to how much? 5,400. To discount received. To discount received. How much discount I am receiving? 5%. So 5,400 multiplied by 5%, that comes to 270. So how much I am making a payment? I am making a payment of 5,400 minus 270 is 5,130. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
What else, sir?
Now, three accounts are impacted: Rajesh account, cash account, and discount
Sir,
received.
you forgot to put the date.
Yes.
So the date is 20th April.
The date is?
20th April. 20th April.
No. The same transaction I am discussing. I'm still on 15th April only. 20th April transaction I'm yet to discuss. Okay. It is still 15th April transaction. And 5% cash discount and paid 40% of the amount immediately. I'm still in that 40% of the amount. Clear? So here narration is being 40% paid, 40% amount paid,
Being 40% amount paid.
and received. One second, Pranav, don't go too fast, please. Cash discount of 5%. Any doubt?
No doubts.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now three accounts are impacted. One is Rajesh account, another is cash account, another is discount received. Discount received account I am not having. I will first open a discount received account. I will first open a discount received account. Sorry. Okay. So I have opened a discount received account. I have to post now 3 legs of the transaction I have to post. In 3 different ledger I have to post. First ledger is Rajesh account. Rajesh account is debited by 5,400. One is because of cash 5,130 and second is because of discount received 270. So I will go to Rajesh account. Rajesh account. I will go to Rajesh account. To cash is how much? 5,130. And to discount received is how much? To discount received is how much? 270. And this happened on 15th of April. 15th April 2026. Okay. So Rajesh account I have posted. Now I have to post the same in cash account also. I have to post the same in discount received account also. Clear? Are you following me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cash account is getting credited. Cash account is getting credited by 5,130. So I will go to cash account. Cash account is getting credited because of whom, guys? Because of Rajesh. How much? How much cash I am paying? 5,130. This is happening on 15th April 2026. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Discount account is also getting credited. Discount received is an income. Income is also getting credited. So I will again post how much is the discount? 270. Because of whom? Because of Rajesh. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No
So
doubt,
I
sir.
posted in cash account. I posted in discount received account. I posted in Rajesh account. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Very good, guys.
No doubt, sir.
Very good, guys. Fantastic. Now read the next transaction. Next transaction is very tricky. Next transaction is very tricky. I will make it easy for you guys. Next transaction is little tricky, guys.
Okay.
Paid to Rajesh.
So this will, you mean difficult, sir? Tough.
Not tough. Let me explain to you.
Okay,
It will
okay,
become
okay.
easy to you.
Okay, that's
Okay.
my. Yes, sir.
Paid to Rajesh in settlement of his account 38,600. Okay. Now, which date? 20th April 2026. Paid to Rajesh. When I make a payment to Rajesh, what is the accounting entry, guys? When I make a payment to Rajesh, what is the accounting entry?
Rajesh to cash or bank.
Fantastic, guys. Rajesh account debit to cash account. Now you can ask me, sir, what is so tricky in this? Rajesh account debit to cash account, simple entry. What is tricky in this? I will tell you the tricky part. The tricky part is they are telling in settlement of his account, in settlement of his account. So how much Rajesh has to pay? We will see Rajesh account. We will see Rajesh account. We will see Rajesh account. How much he has to, how much we have to pay to Rajesh? We have made a transaction. So far, we have made a transaction of 52,500 minus 5,400. How much we have to pay to Rajesh? 47,100 we have to pay to Rajesh. And how much we are paying? Only 38,600. How much we have to pay to Rajesh, guys, at this point? The credit side of Rajesh is 52,500. The debit side of Rajesh is 5,400. So as on date, how much I have to pay? I have to pay 47,100 to Rajesh. But how much I am paying? How much I am paying? 38,600. So they are telling Rajesh account is fully settled. Fully settled means entire 47,100 is getting settled only by making a payment of 38,600. Entire 47,100 is the amount that is standing in Rajesh account. Entire amount is getting settled, but I am making a lesser payment of 38,600. That means what is that I am getting? I am getting a discount from Rajesh.
Discount.
It is called as discount received. How the amount is arrived? The amount is arrived when you prepare the Rajesh account. When you how this 47,100 has been arrived? This is arrived from Rajesh account. This is arrived from Rajesh account. If I go to Rajesh account, as on date, how much I have to make a payment? 47,100. How much I have to make a payment? 47,100. But I am making a payment of only 38,600. Automatically, this implies that there is a hidden discount received in this transaction. So what I will tell, being amount paid to Rajesh in full settlement, how much? 38,600. And discount received is how much? Now three accounts I have to give impact now. One is Rajesh account, another is cash account, another is discount received account. So Rajesh account will be debited because of cash 38,600 and because of discount received 8,500. His closing balance will become 0 because it's a full settlement. So I will go to Rajesh account to cash 38,600, to discount received 8,500. And once I make this, if you see, automatically the account balance has become 0. This happened on 20th April 2026. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Rajesh account has become 0 now because we made a full settlement to Rajesh. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
Okay. I have only posted in Rajesh account. 2 more accounts I have to post. One is cash account. Cash is getting credited by 38,600. So I will go to the cash account. By Rajesh. By Rajesh, how much? How much cash is getting reduced, guys? How much cash I am paying? How much cash I am paying, guys? See my screen and tell me how much cash I am paying. 2 cash is how much?
38,600.
Yes, that is the question that I am
38,600.
asking all of you. 38,600 to buy Rajesh. Any doubt? Another account, 2 discount received. 2 discount received. So I have to go to discount received. Buy Rajesh. Buy Rajesh in discount received account will be 8,500. Where is my discount received account? Here it is. Buy Rajesh. Buy Rajesh will be 8,500. What is the date of this transaction, guys? 20th April, right?
20th April 2026.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now the last 2 transactions are very simple. Last 2 transactions are very simple. And once we complete the last 2 transactions, we can start closing our ledgers and start preparing the trial balance. Another 10 minutes or another 5 to 7 minutes, we'll complete this question. 25th April. 25th April 2026. What is the accounting entry? Paid life premium of the proprietor, 500 rupees. Everyone knows this entry, guys. Quickly tell me what is the accounting entry? Life insurance premium of the proprietor. What is the accounting entry? Personal insurance premium. What is the accounting entry? We have discussed so many times. No one? Insurance premium, personal insurance premium of the proprietor. Personal, anything which is personal is what? I am giving so many hints to you. Anything which is personal is called as
Drawings.
drawings. I am giving so many hints to you. Now only you are telling the answer. Drawings account debit to cash account. How much is the amount? 500 and 500. Being life insurance premium paid of the proprietor. Okay. Now, drawings account I don't have. Cash account I am already having. So by drawings, 500. This happened when, guys? 25th April. 25th April 2026. One more account I have to create. One more account I have to create. Which account I have to create, guys? Which account is not available with me? Drawings account. Drawings account. Drawings account debit. I debited drawings to cash. 500 rupees. What is the date of this, guys? 25th April. 25th April 2026. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. Last transaction, received commission 2000. This is very easy. Received commission 2000. Very, very easy, guys. Received commission 2000. Last transaction 30th of April. What is the accounting entry, guys? What is the accounting entry? Received commission.
Commission account.
Commission is income or expense?
Income, sir. So, sorry, credit, sir.
Cash account debit.
Account
To-
debit, commission receipt, sir. Sorry, sir.
Commission received. No problem. Let's, whenever in doubt, go to the fundamentals, guys. 2000. Being commission received in cash. Okay. I have to post in two accounts, guys. One is cash account. Cash account is debited. 2 commission received. 2,000 rupees. This is on 30th of April. This is on 30th April 2026. Which account I have to go now? Second account is what, guys? Which is the second account? Cash account debit to commission received.
sir.
Yes. Commission received. I have to prepare an account, commission received. Commission received is getting credited. Commission received is getting credited because of what? Because of cash. By cash, amount is 2,000. And this is happening on which date it is happening, guys? 30th April 2026. Any doubt? Any doubt?
Sir.
Okay. Now the last step is preparation of the trial balance. Before preparation of the trial balance is nothing but closing balance of all ledger account. Closing balance of all ledger account. Trial balance of, who is this guy? Ashok Delhi. Ashok Delhi as on 30th April 2026. Nature is not the part of the trial balance. Nature is only for you to understand whether it's an asset liability. I am including an additional column. Trial balance is only particular debit and credit. Clear? Any doubt? Let us close all the accounts one by one. Let us close all the accounts one by one, and then each account when we close, we will put it in the trial balance, guys. Immediately we will put in the trial balance so that we don't miss it. If we miss one account also, we will not be able to tally the trial balance. Asset, cash is an asset. Always my debit side will be higher. Always my debit side will be higher. How much is my closing cash balance? 59,000 minus 44,220 by balance carried down is how much? 14,770. 14,770. 59,000 minus 42,000 something was there. My closing balance is 14,770. So immediately I will go to the trial balance. I will put cash account. Cash account, how much it came, guys? 14,770. 14,770. Ultimate objective of the trial balance is my debit side and credit side should be equal. My debit side and credit side should be equal. If it is not equal, my trial balance is wrong. Some mistake has happened in the trial balance. My debit side and credit side will be equal after I post the closing balance of all the ledger account. I have posted only one. I have so many ledger account. Cash account only I have posted now. This is the total. This is the total. Okay. Next account total. There is only one transaction in stock account. Only the opening balance. No other transaction is there. So my opening balance will become the closing balance. Buy balance carried down. 30,000 rupees. My opening balance of stock is the closing balance of stock. Okay. So stock account, how much is the closing balance of stock? 30,000. So immediately I will go to the trial balance. Stock is an asset, right? It should come in the debit side or credit side. Stock is an asset. It should come in the debit side or credit side, guys?
Debit, sir.
Debit side. 30,000 rupees stock. Fantastic. So stock I did. Next account is, so many accounts are there. Next account is debtor account. In debtor account, my debtor is an asset. So for asset, always the asset side will be higher. Buy balance carried down. 50,000 minus 1,000 rupees. 49,000 is my debtor's balance. So debtor RAM account, my closing balance is, I forgot to write the date of the closing balance. The closing balance date is 30th April. In previous also I forgot to write the date. Before that also I forgot to write the date. Okay. 30th April, my closing balance on 30th April for RAM account is 49,000. RAM is a debtor. My debtor RAM is having a closing balance on 30th April, 49,000 rupees. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No
guys?
doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
RAM account also we have completed. Now we will go to machinery account. In machinery account, only opening balance is there. My opening balance will become the closing balance. My opening balance will become the closing balance, 60,000 rupees. Total, this 30th April balance is how much? 30th April, the balance of machinery is 60,000. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So I will immediately go to the trial balance. And will post machinery account balance as 60,000. Machinery account 60,000. Why I am posting in the debit side? Because all assets have a debit balance. It is 60,000, not 6,000. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. No
No,
doubt.
sir.
No doubt.
So 4 account we have completed now. We will complete all the accounts now. Machinery account. Rajesh account. Is there any balance in Rajesh account, guys? 50 to 500 debit, 50 to 500 credit. Everything paid in full settlement. Is there any balance in Rajesh account?
No, sir.
No balance. Zero balance in Rajesh account. Ashok's capital account. Opening balance was 1,60,000 and 2 balance carried down. Carried down is also 1,60,000 because in capital account there is no other transaction. So I will my 30th April balance, my 30th April 2026 balance of Ashok's capital. Ashok's capital is how much? 1,60,000. Ashok's capital. It will come in the debit side or credit side, guys? Ashok's capital.
Credit side.
Fantastic. Ashok's capital will always have a credit balance. in the
Credit side.
triangle. Okay. Ashok's capital also I have completed.
Yeah.
Now next is sales. Only one
There
sale.
is an income which is credited.
Yes, income is credited, but I have to close the account. To close the account, how much is my closing balance of income? Two balance carried down. I made a sales. So my income is how much? 7,000 rupees. My closing balance in my sales account on 30th April. My closing balance is how much? 7,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees. I will put sales account. Sales account will be in the debit side or credit side, guys? In the trial balance, sales account,
Credit side.
Credit,
Sales-
sir. Credit.
credit side,
Which is income.
income. Fantastic, guys. Sales account is credit side. Return inward, sales return.
Sales
Sales
return
return.
debit.
Yes, fantastic. Buy balance carried down. Only one transaction of return. My total closing balance is how much? 1,000 rupees. I forgot to mention something. I have mentioned the date also. Yes. 30th April. My closing return inward, sales return. Income has a debit balance. Decrease in income will be having a decrease in income. Sales return is nothing but decrease in income. Sales return, if sales is having a credit balance, sales return will have a ulta balance, opposite balance. It will have a debit balance. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fantastic. So sales return also we have completed. Now purchase is an expense. Expense always have a debit balance. That is why my debit side is higher. Buy balance carried down. How much is the total of my expenses, guys? 22,500 as on 30th of April. I will immediately post this balance into my trial balance. Where I shall post? Debit side or credit side? Purchase is an expense. Expense will come in the debit side or credit side?
Debit side. It's an
Debit side.
expenses.
So purchase,
It's an expenses.
purchase account,
Purchase account.
expense
Expenses, which is
22,500. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Purchase is over. Did we miss any account, guys? All accounts we are completed, right? Cash account done, stock account done, debtor account done, machinery account done, Creta Rajesh account done, Ashok's capital account done, sales account is also done, return inward done, purchase account done, discount received. Okay, discount received. How much is my balance, guys? 8,770. Discount received is an income. To balance carried down. 8,770 on 30th April 2026. 8,770. Discount received 8,770. Capital account is how much, guys? I have a doubt in capital account. Capital account is 1,60,000. I have mentioned only 60,000. That's why I was saying some total is coming less in the credit side. What is happening? It is 1,60,000, not 60,000. Okay. Which account we completed now? Discount received. Total. Clear, guys? Any doubt? So discount received is income or expense?
Income.
Income.
Income,
So
sir.
discount received income, it will come in the credit side, guys. Any doubt?
Credit, sir. Credit, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now drawings account. Drawings account, by balance carried down. Drawings is reduction in capital, decrease in capital. Decrease in capital is drawings.
Yes, sir.
Decrease in capital has to be debited or credited?
Debit.
Debit, sir.
Debited. So drawings automatically will have a debit balance. Drawings account will have a debit balance. Drawings account 500 rupees. It is nothing but
It is an expense decrease in expenses.
not decrease in expense, decrease in
Decrease in
capital.
capital.
Capital, sir.
Decrease in capital, guys. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Now last account, commission received. Commission received is income or expense?
Income, sir.
Income. Income always have which balance, guys?
Credit balance.
Credit balance. Fantastic. So I forgot to write closing date in few transactions. One is drawings account I forgot, and commission received. Okay. So 2,000 rupees I will post in the income side. Commission received 2,000 rupees income. So my total of trial balance, see now the difference has become 0. My total of trial balance is 1,77,770. Debit is equal to credit, guys. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
You saw this? How many accounts we have created and how did we get the answer correctly in the first time itself without making an error? Can you see this, guys? The reason is there is only one reason for this: double posting. Whenever I completed a journal, I immediately posted in 2 ledgers. If we don't post in 2 ledgers, you will not get correct answer in the first time. It is never possible. Clear? So the whole idea of
Yes, sir.
posting in 2 different ledgers simultaneously is to ensure that we don't miss any ledger account. We don't miss any transaction. We don't miss any ledger account. Yesterday also we demonstrated that was even a bigger problem. It took me 1.5 hours. Today this took only 1 hour to me, including explanation. If you do it, you will not take more than 25-30 minutes. Since I am explaining and doing it, it is taking time for me. Clear? but you have to follow this same approach. If you follow this same approach, you can also crack this question without any error in the first attempt itself. Can you all try this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Okay. I wanted to complete 2 problems. We will complete the second problem also. One more question I have to complete, question number 8. On 1st April 2026, the following were the ledger balance of Raman and Co. What is required? Please post the above transaction to the ledger and prepare the trial balance. Very easy for us. They are not asking us to journalize. So half the time is saved. Half the time is saved. We have to directly post to the ledger. Always read the requirement of the question. Whatever is the question telling, you will be getting marks only for what is asked in the question. If the question asks for ledger and you prepare journal, you will not get any marks. Okay? If the question asks ledger, you have to prepare only ledger. If the question asks journal, you have to prepare only journal. If the question asks journal plus ledger, you have to prepare both. If the question asks trial balance, you have to prepare only trial balance. So whatever is asked in the question, you will be awarded marks for what is asked in the question. Other things are only for your own purpose. It is not the requirement of the examiner. Clear? So we will try to do this question. We have 20 minutes left now till 9 o'clock. We will try to complete this in 15 minutes time. Let us see whether we can complete in 15 minutes time. Because we have to only post directly to the ledger. Clear? Let's try to do it. Okay. Question number 8. Practical problem 8. Very simple, guys. On 1st April 2026. So for your purpose, I will just mention few amounts like this. I am not writing a proper journal entry. I'll just mention what is the opening balance, cash in hand account. Cash in hand account debit, 300. Cash at bank. Please help me with the amount, guys. Cash at bank is how much? Cash at bank is how much, guys?
7,000, sir.
7,000. Please help me with the amount. All of you have textbooks in hand. Loan from Mahesh.
1,000, sir.
Loan from Mahesh is asset or liability?
Liability, sir.
Liability, because we have to pay to Mahesh 1,000. Then Zahir debit. Zahir debit means debtors. Debit balance
Yes,
means
sir.
debtor.
800.
Debtor Zahir. Debtor Zahir is how much?
800, sir.
800. Now stock. Stock is how much?
4,000, sir. 4,000.
4,000. Then Gobind credit. It means
2,000, sir.
he is a creditor because he is having a
Liability.
creditor. Gobind liability. How much?
2,000, sir.
2,000. Sahil debit.
1,500, sir.
Debtor Sahil
1,500, sir.
1,500. Now what else? Rahul creditor. Creditor Rahul
900, sir. 900.
900 in the credit side. Now
Yes, sir.
capital. Capital they have given. Last question they have not given the capital. They have given the capital.
7,700, sir.
That means my debit and credit side should tally. This is my opening entry, guys. This is my opening entry. 13,600. This is my opening trial balance also. This is nothing but a trial balance. Particular debit. I have prepared an opening trial balance. Opening trial balance with the given information. This is an opening trial balance. Any doubt? This is
No doubt, sir.
This is called as opening trial balance. Opening trial balance will not have any income and expenses as at 1st April 2026. Opening trial balance will never have an income and expense, guys. Clear? This is my opening trial balance. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Each of this ledger I have to open now. I have to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ledgers I have to open. Let us start opening those ledgers. 9 ledgers I have to open. And then I have to prepare a closing trial balance. This is an opening trial balance, but the question is asking for a closing trial balance. This opening trial balance will not give you any mark. It is only for your understanding that I have created the opening trial balance. Clear? From this opening trial balance, I have to post all the opening balances. Then I have to add the transactions. Then I will get the closing balance. That closing balance, I have to put it in all the ledgers. Then I will get the closing trial balance. Clear? Okay. Let us create ledgers. 9 ledgers I have to create. Okay. First ledger is what, guys? Cash in hand account.
Cash in hand, sir.
Cash in hand account. Quickly help me, guys, with each of the ledgers. Quickly help me with each of the ledgers. We will do this question without a journal, guys. Journal we will prepare the journal in our mind and directly post in the ledger. First, I will create a format. Then I will name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 ledgers. 9 ledgers I have created. Let us name each of the ledgers. Cash in hand. Second one is what? Cash at bank.
Cash at bank, sir.
Next one,
Loan from Mahesh, sir. Mahesh.
loan from Mahesh. Next one,
Zahir, debtor.
debtors, Zahir. Next one,
Next one, stock, sir. Stock.
stock account. Next one,
Creditor, Govind, sir.
creditor, Govind. Next one,
Debtor, Sahil, sir.
debtor, Sahil. Next one,
Creditor, Rahul, sir. Creditor, Rahul.
creditor, Rahul. Next one,
Capital, sir.
whose capital is this? Raman and Co.
Raman and Co. Delhi, sir.
Raman's capital account. Clear? So I have created 9 ledgers now.
Yes, sir.
Now I will post the opening balance in each of the ledger. Cash account will always have a debit balance. 2 balance brought down. 2 balance brought down on 1st of April. On 1st of April. Opening balance. How much is the cash balance, guys? Cash balance is 300. Just it will take 10 minutes, not more than that. Cash balance is 1000. Cash at bank is how much, guys?
7,000.
7,000. Loan from Mahesh is a liability. Liability will always have which balance, guys?
Credit.
Credit balance. Buy balance brought down. How much is loan, guys?
1,000, sir.
1,000. I'm not looking at the question, guys. Whatever you are telling, I'm just writing it down. Debtor will always have a debit balance. Debtor account is an asset, always will have a debit balance. How much is the debtor account?
800.
800. Now, stock account. Stock account will always have a debit balance. How much is stock account, guys?
4,000.
4,000. Creditors will always have a credit balance. How much is the creditor balance, guys?
2,000.
2,000. Fantastic. Debtor Sahil will always have a debit balance. Debtor is an asset. How much is the debtor balance?
1,500.
1,500. Creditor Rahul is a liability, will always have a credit balance. How much is the
900.
500?
900, sir.
900, sir.
900. Sorry, I'm just listening to you and writing. Capital will always have a credit balance.
9,700, sir.
9,700. Now all my opening account balances are posted. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
Let us do one by one transactions now. I will show you the book. First transaction is bought goods from Gobind. Bought goods from Gobind. What is the accounting entry, guys?
Purchase account debit to Govind account, sir.
So I have to open, purchase account is not there. I have to open a new account. Gobind account is already there. Purchase account debit
Yes,
to
sir.
Gobind. So for your sake, I will just write it down. I'm not journalizing it. Just for your sake, I'm writing it down. We can directly do it without writing also. Purchase account debit to
Govind
Gobind, 900 and 900. Okay. I have to give impact to two accounts. Purchase account I don't have. I will create a purchase account now.
Govind.
I will create a purchase account now. Purchase account. In the debit side of purchase, now you have to become an expert without writing a journal. You have to think the journal in your mind. Purchase account debit to what? To what? Because of whom?
Govind, sir, Govind.
Gobind. How much?
900, sir, 900.
900. When is the date, guys?
2nd April 2026, sir.
I did posting only in one account. Which is the other account I should impact?
Govind, sir,
Gobind.
Govind.
Immediately you have to tell me, sir, where is Gobind account? Gobind. G-O-B. It is. So purchase account debit to Gobind in the credit side of Gobind. By what? By? Because of what Gobind account is getting created? Because of?
Goods, sir, goods.
What is the name? Purchase account. Because of? Purchase account debit.
Purchase account.
Purchase account debit to Gobind. 4th April 2026. How much is the amount, guys?
No, sir, 2nd, right?
2nd. Okay. I will change it to 2nd. 2nd April. What is the amount, guys?
900, sir, 900.
900. One transaction over. Sold goods to Sahil. Sahil account is there. But accounting entry is what? Accounting entry is debtor account debit to sales account. Accounting entry is what, guys? You have to create the accounting entry in your mind now. Should not write it now. Debtors
Sales.
account debit to
Sales account, sir.
sales. How much?
1,000, sir.
1000. What is the name of this debtor, guys?
Sahil, sir, Sahil.
Debtor Sahil. Gobind was?
Creditor,
Creditor.
sir.
Gobind was creditor. This entry you should not write. If you keep writing the entry, you will lose time in exam. So you have to create this entry in your mind. You have to create this entry in your mind. Debtor account debit to sales account. So two accounts I have to impact. One is debtor account. So I will go to
Sahil, sir.
Sahil account to sales. 1000 rupees. When did this happen? 3rd April.
3rd April 2026, sir.
Which is the other account I should impact?
Sales account, sir.
Sales account is not there with me. I will open a sales account now. Sales account. Sales is increasing. Sales is increasing means credit side of sales. Credit side of sales by
Sahil, sir.
Sahil. How much? 1000 rupees.
1,000, sir.
This happened on 3rd April
3rd April 2026, sir.
2026. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Bought goods from Rahul. Immediately purchase account debit to
Rahul, sir, Rahul.
Rahul. How much?
1,200, sir.
1200. What is the date?
5th April 2026, sir.
5th April 2026. Second account, which is the second account I should go?
Rahul, sir,
Rahul. Where is Rahul? Rahul is here. By
purchase account, sir.
Purchase account. How much?
1,200, sir.
Date?
5th April 2026, sir.
Yes. Now the speed is increasing. I am happy the speed is increasing now. Now next one. Sold goods to Zahir. Zahir account debit to sales.
Sahil account debit to sales account, sir.
By Zahir. By Zahir.
sir.
How much?
500. 500.
500. Date?
8th April 2026, sir.
8th April 2026. Immediately I will go to which account? Zahir account. Zahir. Where is Zahir? Zahir. Okay. 2 sales. How much?
500, sir.
500. When is the date?
8th April 2026, sir.
8th April 2026. Good. Paid Gobind by check. If I'm making a payment to Gobind, accounting entry will be what? Gobind account debit to bank account. Gobind account. So debit side of Gobind to bank account. How much?
And 1,500, sir.
1,500. 15th April 2026. Which is the other account I should impact?
Bank account, sir.
Bank account. Immediately I will go to bank account. Bank account. By
By
Gobind. 1,000 rupees. 15th April 2026. Are you able to understand the way I am operating, guys? Are you able to see the way I am operating? Immediately I am connecting the two accounts. First, we are journalizing the transaction in the mind. Immediately we are posting the debit side and credit side in two different ledgers. Are you getting it, guys? That is the way
Yes,
you
sir.
have to operate.
Yes, sir.
Only if you operate in this way, you will become the fastest actually. And it will come only through practice. The way I am talking to you, you have to talk to yourself. Purchase account debit to Gobind. Go to purchase account, mention to Gobind. Immediately go to Gobind account, mention by purchase. Sahil account debit to sales. Go to Sahil account. In that to sales, immediately go to sales account by Sahil. You have to keep talking to yourself. Do 2 postings together. You will never get a ledger wrong in your life. Clear? Are you getting it,
Clear,
guys?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And this
Yes, sir.
will improve your speed also. You will be able to, once you understand the ledgers, this will increase your speed tremendously, not only for this chapter, for any chapter in 11th and 12th, your speed will increase because in every chapter, ledger will be part of every chapter. Ledger account will be part of every chapter. Once you get a hold of ledger, your way of thinking and your speed will automatically increase, guys. Clear?
Good.
Okay. What we were discussing, guys? Which question we completed? Gobind, paid Gobind, received a check from Sahil. I received a check of 2,000 rupees, allowed him discount of 50, Okay. I will put this transaction. Whenever you have a doubt, nothing wrong in journalizing the transaction by writing it. So let us journalize this transaction. Received a check, 2,000 rupees, bank account debit. How much is the check, guys? 2,000. Bank account debit 2,000. Allowed him discount. Discount allowed is how much? Discount allowed account debit is how much? 50 rupees. And who is this guy? Sahil. So two Sahil account will be both put together 2050. Okay, this is the accounting entry, guys. Discount allowed account I am not having. So I will open another account called discount allowed account. See, anything which is an income or expense, right? I will not be having that account. Discount allowed account debit. I will open an account. Okay. Now, in the debit side of bank, 2,000 rupees because of Sahil. So bank account debit to Sahil, 2,000 rupees. Only 2,000 rupees my bank account is increasing. When is this transaction, guys?
18th April 2026, sir.
18th April. 2 more accounts I have to impact. Discount allowed 50 rupees. Discount allowed is debited because of what? Because of Sahil. 50 rupees in discount account. discount allowed account debit to Sahil,
Sahil,
only 50 rupees. This happened on 18th
18th April 2026, sir.
18th April 2026. Third account, which is the third account getting impacted, guys? Sahil
Sahil,
account. Sahil account is getting impacted because of bank 2000, because of discount 50. So I will go to Sahil account. I will go to Sahil account. Where is Sahil?
debtor Sahil.
By bank. He is giving me 2000. By
Discount
discount allowed
50, sir.
50 rupees. Fantastic, guys. Very, very happy with the progress today. To see all of you getting a comfort in ledger, fantastic achievement. And this is happening just in the second month of our classes. Very good to see you. If you are thorough with journals and ledger, entire 11th will become easy, entire 12th will become easy. Clear? And
Okay,
I'm very happy with all of your progress. When I see everyone understanding ledger so accurately, it is actually a very good sign that you are following the class. Fantastic, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next transaction. Sold goods to Sahil. This is the transaction which we have done from day one of accounts. Sold goods to Sahil. What is the
Sahil
accounting
account
entry?
debit to sales account, sir.
Sahil account debit to sales. So in the debit side of Sahil, to sales, how much?
To sales account, sir.
800. When is this transaction? 20 April
20 April
2026. Okay. I have to always give impact in two accounts, right? One account I did not give impact.
Sales.
Sales. Where is my sales account? By Sahil.
By Sahil, sir. 800, sir.
When is this transaction?
20 April 2026, sir.
20 April 2026. Next, paid rent by check. Rent by check. So many times we have discussed this.
Rent account debit to bank account, sir.
Rent account debit to bank account. I don't have a rent account. I will open my rent account.
Rent account is debit, sir. Debit.
Rent account debit. So two bank account.
To bank account.
Two bank
To
account.
bank.
How much?
200, sir.
Rent account debit to bank account 200 rupees. Which is the other account I have to go?
Bank account, sir.
Bank
Sir,
account.
date
Yes.
20
Yes,
April 2026, sir.
26. Bank account. In the bank account, which side? Debit side or credit side?
Credit side, sir.
Fantastic. By rent
By-
account 200. What is the date?
20 April 2026, sir.
28 April 2026. Next, sold goods to Zahir.
Zahir account debited to sales account, sir.
Zahir account debit to sales account. How
To
much?
sales, 1000, sir.
1000. What is the date, guys?
25 April 2026, sir.
Which is the other account I should go
Sales account,
immediately?
sir. Sales account.
Sales account. Where is my sales account? I think it is down. Sales account.
Yes, sir.
By
To
Sahir.
By Zahir, sir. By Zahir,
How
sir.
much? How much? 1000 rupees. And it is 25th April 2026.
Sir, it is not Sahil, sir. It is Zahir.
Zahir. I am sorry. By Zahir. Okay. Next,
Paid salaries in cash, sir.
paid salaries in cash. Salary
Salary.
account I am not having. I will open that account. Salary account debit.
To
Last
cash,
entry.
sir.
Almost done. 9 o'clock exactly we completed. I will take another 5 minutes to complete the trial balance. Stay with me,
300,
guys.
sir. Cash 300.
300. When is this date? 30th of April.
30th April. Then cash, sir. Cash.
Cash. Immediately I have to go to cash account. Fantastic. Immediately I have to go to cash account. By salary.
By
How much?
salary 300. Date 30th April 2026, sir.
30th April 2026. Now all my accounts are over. I will just find the closing balance of all account as on 30th April. As on 30th April 2026, my closing balance, buy balance carried down. How much is this account? Cash account is 300. My total of cash account is 300. what I will do, I will prepare a trial balance also immediately so that we don't waste a time. Trial balance as on what date, guys? Trial balance is always as on a particular date, as on 30th April 2026. And whose trial balance is this? Mrs. Raman and Co. Delhi.
Mrs. Raman and Co. Delhi, sir.
This is the format. This is the heading of trial balance, guys. Particular debit and credit. I have closed only one account. Which is that account? Cash account. Sorry. Cash in hand. Cash in hand is how much? 300 rupees. Debit side or credit side?
Credit side, sir.
Credit side or debit side? Asset.
Debit side, sir. Debit side.
Then why you told credit?
Sorry, sir.
No problem. Cash in hand is 300 rupees. This is the format. Nature I just told in the previous question. That is not part of the format. For your sake, I will just mention here.
Should we write that, sir? In
Not
exam?
required. Not required. This is the format of trial balance. Next account. Just 5 more minutes. Stay with me, guys. We'll complete this. Easy calculations, not very tough calculations. Cash at bank. Debit side is 9,000. Credit side is buy balance carried down. Calculations, you have to become stronger, guys. I am doing through my laptop. So my calculation will always be correct, but you have to do it manually, guys. Please never use calculator. Never use calculator.
Okay, sir.
It will be the biggest mistake you will be doing if you are using calculator or mobile. That will be the biggest mistake you will be doing, because in exam you will not get a calculator, you will not get a mobile. Okay, so whatever is the exam condition,
Yes, sir.
same thing you have to do in your home also. Do not use calculator at home. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Cash in hand we completed, right? Cash in hand we completed.
Yes, sir.
Cash at bank 7,500. Immediately I will post cash in bank. Cash at bank is how much? 7,500.
7,500, sir.
Okay. My debit side and credit side should match. At this moment, it will not match because completed the question. I am having a difference. I am having a difference in the trial balance of 7,800. It should disappear. Okay. Next, loan from Mahesh. There is no other entry. So 2 balance carried down. How much? 1,000. This is on 30th April 2026. Always write the total also. Always do the question in a proper way so that no single mark should be deducted. Total. This completes my ledger. So closing balance of loan from Mahesh is 2,000. Loan from Mahesh will come in the which side, guys?
Credit side, sir.
Loan from Mahesh will come in the credit side. 1,000 rupees. It's a liability. I'm just mentioning it so that it becomes clear to your mind. Nature is not required in exam. Okay. Loan from Mahesh. Next. Debtor always have a debit balance. My debit side will be higher. 2,300. Buy balance carried down. 2,300. Debtor Zahir is through 2,300. Debtor Zahir.
Debit side.
2,300. Fantastic. It's in the debit side. Stock, there is no other entry. Buy balance carried down. Only one entry in the stock account. 4,000 rupees. That is also an opening balance. No other entry. Okay. Always write the date also, guys. Always complete the format. I may miss it, but if you miss it, you will miss your marks also. Okay. So ensure that it is completed. Stock account. Immediately I will go to the trial balance and post my stock account. Stock account is 4,000. Stock account is 4,000. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Debtor is
No,
also
sir.
an asset. Okay. So stock account is over. Gobind account. Gobind account. Gobind is a creditor. Creditor will always have a credit balance. That means my credit side will always be higher. 2 balance carried down. 2 balance carried down will be 1,400. Okay. This is on 30th April 2026. Creditor Gobind. Creditor Gobind. Debit side or credit side? Debit side or credit side, guys?
Credit side, sir. Credit side.
Credit side, how much? 1,400.
1,400.
400. Next, Gobind is over. Sahil. Sahil is a debtor. That means my asset side debit side will always be higher. Okay. How much is Sahil closing balance? Buy balance carried down. 3,300 minus 2,050. It should be 1,250. Yes, 1,250. The balance is on 30th April. My
Debit
debtor.
side.
Yes. My debtor Sahil. Debtor Sahil.
Debit side.
How much was that, guys? 1,250, right?
1,250, sir.
1,250. Debtor Sahil is okay. Done. Rahul, creditor. Creditor will always have a credit balance. So 2 balance carried down. Credit side will always be higher. 2,100. There is no other transaction. This balance is on 30th of April. Creditor Rahul. Creditor Rahul.
Credit side, sir.
How much was that? 2,100.
2,100, sir. Capital, sir, now.
Capital is 9,700. Capital will always have which balance, guys?
Credit, sir.
Credit
Ramesh?
balance, sir.
Yes. Raman's capital account. Raman's capital account.
Credit balance.
9,700. See, my differences is slowly reducing now because I am posting accounts, so it is reducing. Capital is over. Post the dates and all correctly, guys. Formats matters a lot. I am doing it so that you also get a practice. Total. Okay. Purchase account. Purchase account will always have which balance, guys? Always have a debit balance. All expenses always have a debit balance. 2,100. 30th April. So my purchase account balance on 30th April will be 2,100. Purchase account 2,100. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now sales account. 2 balance. Sales will always have a credit balance. 2 balance carried down will be how much? 3,300.
3,300, sir.
This is on 30th
Credit
of
side, sir.
April. Total
3,300, sir.
3,300. In the credit side of trial balance, I will put 3,300. Sales account. Sales account is how much?
3,300.
300. Fantastic. Now, discount
allowance.
allowed. Buy balance carried down. How much? 50 rupees.
50, sir.
This is on 30th of April, guys. Complete the format properly. Mention the total, everything, so that we don't lose a single mark. Discount allowed. Discount allowed is how much? 50 rupees. Clear? It will have a which balance, guys? Debit balance. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, rent account. Rent account. Buy balance carried down. 200. 30th April. So rent account will be
Debit side, sir.
Rent account is 200. Okay.
Salary account, sir.
Salary account, Y balance carried down.
300, sir. Date is 30.
Date is 30 April 2026. Is how much? 300 account.
300, sir.
Okay. I am getting a difference of 500 rupees in the trial balance. That means something is wrong. Let's see what is that. It should not be. After all the accounts have been posted, it should tally. Let us see the accounts one by one. Cash in hand 300. Cash at bank 7,500. 300, 7,500. Okay. Loan from Mahesh 1,000. Debtor Zahid 2,300. 1,000, 2,300. Stock. Stock is 4,000. Gobind is 1,400. Sahil is 1,250. 4,000, 1,400, 1,250. Okay. Creditors. Rahul is 2,100. Raman's capital is 9,000. Okay. Purchase account is 2,100. Sales account 3,300. 2,100. Sales account is 3,100. Okay. Discount allowed 500. Okay. 7, 8. So which account I am not getting? 7,300. 1,000. Bank account is how much? Paid salaries in cash. Okay, I got it, I think. In cash account, we have 7,500. Okay. Paid salary in cash. I think this should come in cash account, not salary, not cash at bank. That's fine. Okay, so this is 7,500 plus 300. I think here only we have made some mistake, I believe. My cash account should be 0 and bank account should be 7,300. I have to find out. Or totaling mistake or what? It should be buy salary here. Buy salary should be here 300. So my closing balance of salary should not be there. It should not come here. 9,000 minus 1,200 is 7,800. Okay. 500 rupees some transaction we are missing. Any transaction is there for 500 rupees, guys? Sold goods to Zahir. Okay. So it should come. In Zahir account, we made a sale of 500, right? Here. This transaction we have not recorded. By Zahir, sales of 500. If we miss even one transaction, we will not get these things right, guys. Okay. So this will become how much? 7,300. Okay, one transaction. I was continuously telling that we have to post the transaction in 2 sites. If you see in received a check from Sahil. I think this transaction we have missed it. So if we change our bank balance, I think now it should tally. Okay, this should become 0. My cash I'm not having. This should become how much? 7,000. Okay. So whenever we are preparing a ledger and trial balance, double posting is very, very important, guys. And once you complete that double posting, it will become very, very easy. Any doubt in today's class?
No, sir.
We have extended by another 15
Well,
minutes.
sir.
Okay, we'll close the class here. I will share this recording as well as my notes to you.
Okay.
Guys, see you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.